Hey lovelies, it's April. I wanted to show you my AUD USD pair again. I made a previous video to kind of show how to go about placing a trade and moving your stop loss into profit, because a lot of people don't know that you can put your stop into profit, and that way, if the trade is going a way that you don't like, or feeling froggy and was like, never mind, you can place your stop loss into profit so you don't lose too much money. But I wanted to get back in on the trade because my current position, or the previous position, was pretty good. But like I said, with this pair, I would prefer to be in on a buy, but I'm in with shorts just for the time being, as like a temporary position, just to make money sake, I guess you could say. But I want to show you now how to not just place a trade, but to place something known as scouts. So scouts are used to put a little bit of risk in the market when you're not really sure what it's going to do. Okay. And then prior to that, I'm going to show you guys where I'm putting my stop. Okay, so let's see. For this one, I took it at a lower point, but it's okay. I'm gonna just have a higher stop loss. The original stop loss I had, which was let's see, I think it was like 0.6967, which was the highest point that it made for the day, but then it broke the level of support, so that's why I was like, I'm okay with putting it back to that high point. So let's see, that was yesterday, 0.980. It was probably easier to see on the 1 hour. Okay, so right here, 0.963. So I'm gonna put it at 0.967. So I would go to my trade. See, so it's trading, even though it had this hammer, the green one, it still was able to trade a little bit lower than that. So let's see, support is at that level. So let's see if it's going to be able to hold or actually break through this support level of 0.6896. But it is trading lower highs, because as you can see here, this one was 0.973, and then for today it was 0.96063-ish. So it is trading lower, so we'll see what happens. And like I said, I'm going to place my stop at 0.967. Oakley dokley, 55 pips. And that is negative $554. Okay, so now stop loss is in place. As you can see, it has the buy stop at that 0.967. Okay, now let me show you guys how to place a scout. So you can place a scout in either direction. You can place it in areas of resistance or areas of support. So if you want to place it in areas of resistance, that means that you're placing it there because you're thinking either that's a turning point or basically it's a turning point. It's what you're thinking. So we can do a scout at an area of resistance, and then I'll show you a scout at an area of support. So let's go to the chart. And again, if you can trade from a computer, I highly recommend it. Trading through your phone is somewhat convenient, but not necessarily efficient. So let's see, a scout, right? Okay, so go to a lower time frame. We'll say 30 minutes. See how this looks. Okay. So let's just say like we thought like where it's consolidating at this higher point, this 0.922, we can place a scout right there. So we'll do a sell because we're basically placing a scout because we think that at that point it's going to turn around. So let's see, scout right there. So place that trade. Okay. And now we're going to go back. And then let's see another scout. Let's say you're going to place a scout right here. And we'll say, okay, we're going to place a scout right there because that is an area of support. And if it breaks that, I want to be in, basically. I'm actually, because I don't want, if it breaks it, I don't want to add more at that point. Because the way how the Forex, like, positioning works is if whatever your original position is plus any other positions you've added. So if you've added in the negative, then it's going to bring your position higher. But if you've added in the positive when you're already making money, it's actually going to lower your position of entry, which I don't want. So I'm actually going to place this scout, we'll say, we'll say after this area of support, so 0.995, I'll say 0.683. Okay, so let's do that. Order is going to be 0.6983. Done. Place order. And then we want to view orders. And so as you can see, when you go to view orders, it's under active order. And so I have one scout at the 0.6983 and another scout at 0.967. We're going to delete these because I actually don't want them there. Okay. And this is my buy, pending buy. Hopefully I can get it by the end of next week. So yeah. So that's how you end up placing your scout trades. So if you have any questions, make sure you post them and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe through my YouTube, Savvy Investor. My Patreon is also Savvy Investor, and my Twitter is Caramel Natural 6. So find me there, show support, show love. Thanks for watching. Deuces.